Okay guys, that's my short story about ice cubes. I'm Iman Rahman, and on this opportunity I will tell you about ice cubes from its history to its roots. Actually, why I want to tell these ice cubes is because it is a trigger for me from a role model in the beverage industry. If you want to know, you know. It turns out that the ice cubes we consume almost every day have their own history, especially for me who consumes iced coffee every day. So, I'll tell you more guys. Ice cubes began to be used as a cooling material in the 1800 when war was still raging in some parts of the world. At the time, William joked about a business idea to sell ice cubes taken from frozen ponds to soldiers who were fighting in the West Indies. An American psychist and humanitarian, John Gorey, built a refrigerator in 1844 with air conditioning equipment. The fridge makes ice. Gorey could be considered an ice cube maker, but her ice cubes were from cold drinks. She used the ice lower the room temperature. Not just to be consumed as a drink, ice cube can also be used for health shots. She used the ice to lower the room temperature. Not just to be consumed as a drink, ice cubes can also be used for health such as compressing, heal pain, overcoming arthritis, or treating fever. And why does water turn into the ice cubes? Water is a liquid that can change from the freeze when the temperature changes. This change in frozen state happens because of the cold temperature that hits the liquid object. One example of changing the state of a liquid to freeze is when we put water in the freezer. I feel it is important to tell the ice cube because it is the foundation for me and my knowledge. I've worked in the beverage industry for a long time to be more precise as a barista. When many of my friends talk about the basic ingredient of drink menu, and mix drinks beautifully, they call themselves beverage creator or mixologists. Many forget that before you talk for, you should pay attention to your basic knowledge. In this case, ice, the story of ice cubes is interesting because as a barista, I need to know things that are considered trivial.